In this video, I am going to show you how to get and redeem deduction coupons in KuCoin. To get coupon codes, 1. Visit the official website. 2. Subscribe to their newsletter if they offer one. 3. Follow on social media the platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. They might occasionally share coupon codes or run giveaways on these channels. 4. Affiliate website or YouTube channels. Some content creators or affiliate marketers may provide coupons that they share with their audience. 5. Third-party coupon websites. Check popular coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, or Deals Plus. 5. Partnerships or collaborations. And 7. Promotional emails if they have ones. I am going to give you now one promo code or coupon code for this. Write it and you will have a discount. To redeem, click on Trade at the bottom middle of the KuCoin app. Select your desired cryptocurrency and then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Deduction Coupons from the options. Select your available deduction coupons and apply the coupon to your trade and complete your transaction. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.